Greetings to all. Today, October 9th, is celebrated as World Postal Day. This year, the day is recognized worldwide with a theme in our way to recover. Let's hear this from Ria, the message of the day.
A warm good morning to one and all present here. Respected Principal, Sister LICMC, beloved teachers and my dear friends. World Postal Day is observed every year on October 9. Before the digital communication came into our lives, sending letters by post was the only option, and if it was an urgent message, it was the telegraph which revolutionized long-distance communication. It worked by transmitting electrical signals over a wire laid between stations. World Postal Day is celebrated on October 9 every year to mark the anniversary of establishment of Universal Postal Union or UPU, which was started in 1874 in Switzerland. Countries across the world participate in celebrations of the day to highlight the importance of postal service. The day was declared by the 1969 UPU Congress in Tokyo, Japan. The day was proposed by Sri Anand Mohan Narla, a member of the Indian delegation. Since then, World Postal Day has been observed every year on October 9. The day aims to spread awareness about the post role in everyday lives of people and businesses and its contribution to global, social and economical development. The UPU's three strategic pillars are innovation, integration and inclusion. The post has a network of more than 6.5 lakh offices and 53 lakh staff globally. It has the ability to deliver services to anyone and anywhere. More than 150 countries celebrate the day every year. The day is observed with programs and activities creating awareness about the post role. Nations also promote new postal products and services to celebrate the day. Some countries observe the day as a working holiday. The UPU organizes letter writing competition for young writers aged 9 to 15 on the given theme to make them aware of the importance of postal services. Postal services are coming up with new and creative ways to keep the post moving even during the coronavirus pandemic. Post have stepped in to offer everything from delivering critical personal protective equipment, testing and medications, to ensuring children receive their educational materials to continue their schooling from home. By this, I would like to conclude my words. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, Ria, for enlightening us with all that we need to know about this day. Let us now enjoy a delightful presentation on World Postal Day. come to the end of this event, I would like to extend a warm note of gratitude for all who were kind enough to spare their valuable times. Thank you and have a blessed day.